Today I just want to give you guys a good tip to make the nice edgy. This photo is the same as this view. Once you bond the leather, it looks like this. You can see still a little gap here, and if you burnish just like this, it might looks like this. You can still see the little gaps. You can see it's not even, right? And I will just burnish it. I usually use Tokonol to burnish the edge. I finished burnishing, but you can still see like this. It's not really nice. To make it looks like this, you have to use a sandpaper and a edge beveler. So once you bond the leather, you should try to make them like even, and use sandpaper and use edge beveler. So I will show you. So I tried to make them even, but you can still see here. So you should cut this one. So it looks like the photo I show you. So now you can see, really nice. To make a good edgy, first you should bond them like evenly, and then use a sandpaper until it looks even, and cut the here using a edge beveler. That's it.